Hi, welcome to my channel. We are going to perform a penetration test over Banzai machine. It's a Linux machine of offensive security proving grounds. So let me go to the directory of streamings, home Kali streamings, yeah, like this. Encadir Bandai, Banzai, yeah. So inside of the directory cd Banzai, we are going to create the working folders and map script data and exploits inside of nmap. I don't know if it's ready the machine. Yes, of course, at this IP. I'm going to use an nmap tool like this. Yeah, this could be clear. With a fast TCP scan, it's possible review the open ports more quickly. So we know that this is an SMTP, this is SSH, this is FTP. So for example, we try to connect to FTP. This is the IP, yes, and we can try anonymous at domain.com. Login file. So exit, admin. Yeah, we are inside passive mode. ls. Yeah, this is the folder directory. So it seems that is the directory of the web application. For example, 8080 is a very good candidate. This is for another machine that I can finish. 8080 could be a good candidate to be this directory. Forbidden, for example, CSS, no, forbidden too, but we don't know. For example, this one could be a good candidate too. What happened here? This one, like this. Yeah, so this is going to be the CSS. Perfect. Inside of this one, cd CSS. Yeah, this is the same file styles. Okay, so the idea at this point is review if we can write inside. So what is this directory? Is data. So we can create yeah, a reversal like this, and try to upload it with the put cell.php. So this is perfect. At this point, I can try to access here to cell.php, cmd, and say who am I? Yes, 3w data. So this is a remote command execution. At this point, we can upload a netcat over the port 8080 and say yes, netcat minus e of being was the attacker IP if config is this one. So I want that you send me a bash shell to this IP and this port because I listen. Voila. Who am I? 3W data ID. This is the groups of the user. So Python 3 minus minus version version. Yes, we can create a minus C. This is for import PTE PTE spawn Vin was for increase the interactivity of this shell. So what is this directory? 3w data html. So inside of home user there are the user Banzai. Yes, so this is the first flag, cat local.txt. Perfect. So this cat index.php say welcome to Banzai WordPress site. Index PHP. Well, this is not a WordPress. So maybe inside of bar 3w this is a config like the WordPress config PHP. Yes. So this is the database configuration. So here we can write echo this one and database config. Perfect. So the first idea is the database is the root user is the same that the root user of the operative system. So why not? Could be. So minus root like this. No. So root like this. No. So what kind of database need stat minus putona pipe grep listen I 3306. This is my SQL at local. So we can review ps minus fair pipe grep MySQL. So the MySQL service is running with root privilege. So if we found a way to exploit this, we can obtain a reversal or a process with the root permission or some modification. So the first idea is looking for one exploit is now this exploit is Raptor MySQL privesc this one or this one or this one. Yeah, we can obtain it for exploitdb at raw mode. So we can go here to exploits. Now the FTP is open, so I can upload directly using the FTP. Yeah. So here we can put the file with name 1518. So no control connector for command. Timeout ls exit is disconnected. So admin um login file exit admin and admin yeah passive yeah ls, and we can put the 1518 file. Yeah, perfect. So here we can find inside of html cd html we can find the exploit. We are going to copy this one to tmp, for example, with the exploit.c name. We can go to tmp. Yeah, right now okay, let me review at local because this file should be compiled and modified and execute, has its own procedure. So the first one, I'm going to call the file like the script. So move this one to this one. Okay, perfect. Right now, at this moment with GCC compiler, we are going to compile the source code. This create an .o file because we want to create a dynamic library for Linux machine. Is the file .so. We can do LDD of this one in order to review the dependencies dynamic of the operative system. So this is the file that we are going to use for inject. At this point we are going to connect to the MySQL minus u root minus p for the credentials, and at this point we have the db config. Yep, and this is escalate raf blah blah blah. So this is for use MySQL database. We need to create a new table. Yeah, the new table is created. So at this point we need insert the tmp file with the name of this one, Raptor. This is the dynamic library that I want to include in the foo table. So it's right. We can select in order to validate asterisk from foo table. Yep. So what happened here? Raptor UDF create table foo, insert foo values, load file. Raptor tmp raptor foo. So the right syntax near into foo. insert into foo this one. Yes, so select all from foo. It's null. So why? Exit of MySQL. So the last time with this file I used the same, but from cd cp this one to def shm. Inside of the directory I copy the dev shm. So yeah, perfect. pwd. Maybe the tmp don't like to MySQL because contain its own temporary folder or something like this. Maybe MySQL minus u root minus p. Okay. Again, use MySQL. Perfect. Drop table foo. Yeah. Select from foo. Doesn't exist. Perfect. So we can create again a table called foo and try to insert the same file from def shm. So def shm and the file name that is this one. Yes, perfect and close it. This is insert, no, this one. Yeah, so one row affected. So let me review from foo table right now contain the data of the binary that we create dynamic library at the operative system. So right now we can dump this content of the file to the plugins place of the MySQL. This is plugins. It's like this. I don't remember right. Let me check it quickly. MySQL plugins directory variable. Select variable plugin MySQL. Select plugin bar. Tiny server plugin information. Let me check it. Okay, formatting schema plugins. So plugins MySQL plugin dir. Yes, dir. How to fix? Let me check. So okay, this could be a good query. um, Let me check it. So the plugins variable at the operative system is this path. So we need to dump the file at this path, dump file to this path, and the name of the file that is this one. So this is the dynamic library. Yes, it's dumped, and right now we create a function perfect with name doSystem. So at this moment we review the functions at the operating system, and we can invoke to the doSystem with a select do system. For example, who am I? Let me check. Who am I? Like this, and like this, and like this. Yes. So this select don't return the output, but execute the command at the operating system. And the idea is easy. Is netcat minus a bin vas at the attacker IP. So this is if config. This is my attacker IP and the port 8080 that I know to work, and close it and close it. So here I can listen at the 8080 port and launch this one. So I can say who am I, and I'm root, of course, and cd to root. This is the cat of the proof.txt. Yep, and this is the uname minus a, the Linux Banzai machine. So this is the IP. This is all. I hope that you learn about the Raptor privilege escalation.